Here we are at the mall, and here's Jake, and we're riding a motorcycle. Oh yeah, this is fantastic. Here we go. There he goes. Look at that sexy shit. Gotta hold on, Jake. Watch out, guys. We got a badass over here. Ah, he's shooting me. This is pretty intense, guys.
It's so much fun.
This is pretty intense.
It's kind of boring, actually.
Oh snap, he's coming towards me. Oh, I think he's gonna run me over. Ah, he shot me. Yo, Katie, you wanna get off? You should stand up on it. Oh, watch out, guys. Watch out. Badass over here.
Cops come yell at us. It'll be your fault, Dirk. It'll be your fault.
Okay.
Get off.
Yeah, it just goes like forever.
Nothing to do on this ride but this. Roller coaster one, where you act like you're on a roller coaster having fun. This one you just move up and down.
Okay. That concludes our adventure for the motorcycle.